Greetings, future entrepreneurs of Chennai and surrounding areas. Welcome to VSK Business Consultant, your strategy partner dedicated to transforming your startup vision into a sustainable and profitable reality. We specialize in providing comprehensive, expert guidance for new entrepreneurs and businesses across a diverse range of sectors, including retail, wholesale, manufacturing, distribution, service-based businesses, restaurants and hotels, and many more emerging industries. Our services are readily available to serve you throughout Chennai and its vibrant surrounding areas, including Tambaram, Pallavaram, Chengalpattu, Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, Punamalli, Mahabalipuram, and other rapidly developing business hubs. Your success starts with strategy, the VSK Business Consultant Advantage. While the excitement to launch is natural, not immediately starting a business without thorough preparation is the most critical step towards long-term success. Jumping into operations without a clear roadmap can lead to significant setbacks and wasted resources. At VSK Business Consultant, we advocate for a methodical, data-driven approach. We believe a comprehensive analysis and strategy phase, typically spanning 2 to 6 months, should be your very first report and the bedrock of your venture. This crucial period ensures your business is built on a solid, well-researched foundation. Here's how VSK Business Consultant empowers your journey with this strategy pre-launch focus. In-depth market and idea validation. We conduct meticulous market research tailored to Chennai's unique landscape, analyzing consumer behavior, competitor strategies, and identifying genuine demand-supply gaps. This ensures your idea is viable and primed for success. Strategic business and financial planning. We craft a robust, actionable business plan that serves as your detailed blueprint. This includes operational flows, targeted marketing strategies for the Chennai market, and precise financial projections, startup costs, revenue forecasts, break-even analysis, invaluable for guiding decisions and securing funding. Funding and investment readiness. We help you prepare compelling financial models and guide you through various funding avenues available in Chennai and Tamil Nadu, from local banks and angel investors to government schemes like Startup India Seed Fund. Local legal and compliance navigation. We provide expert advice on choosing the optimal business structure and assist with all necessary legal formalities, including industry-specific licenses, ensuring full compliance from day one in the Chennai region. Branding and go-to-market strategy. We help establish a strong brand identity and develop effective go-to-market strategies, leveraging both traditional and digital channels to ensure your business cuts through the noise and attracts your target customers in Chennai. Operational setup and efficiency roadmapping. We advise on setting up streamlined operations, optimizing supply chains that consider local logistics, and implementing best practices to maximize productivity and profitability within your Chennai-based industry. Ready to build a strong foundation? Don't leave your entrepreneurial success to chance. Let VSK Business Consultant guide you through the essential analysis and strategy phase, providing you with the clarity and direction needed for sustainable growth. For a free consultation, connect with us today. Call, WhatsApp 9840-336-999. Visit our website www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Stay connected for more insights and tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for valuable business guidance. Follow our WhatsApp channel for direct updates and news. Like our Facebook page to join our growing community. Follow us on Instagram for daily inspiration and business advice. Trust VSK Business Consultant, your partner in progress.